Welcome to another episode of Learn and Speak Tamil Like a Native. This video is going to be an interesting one because it is the uniqueness of some of the words in Tamil which gives effect to what you like to say. And it is impossible to translate these words to English. As you know, there are two ways of saying he in Tamil. One is the respectful he, avaru, and the less respectful avan. It is the same with she, the formal she, that is avanga, and informal she, that is ava. But what if you wish to talk about a group of boys in informal tone? Avanga is okay to say, but if you do not wish to make it a formal tone, how can you say that? And it is the same for ava, she. What if there are more than one she there? You cannot say ava many times. And same for adu. What if you wish precisely make it into plural? Well, this is exactly what we are going to see today. You will come across these words often, but it is also considered less polite, but yet people use it. Friends, I'm teaching you all the inside trade of the language so that you become language hackers and speak like a native in a short time. Just surprise your friends. In Tamil, adding nga makes the nouns to plural, such as kada, kadainga, that is shops, aalu, aalunga, prachana, prachananga, problems. To learn plural, you can check video number. I'm giving that in the link top right. You can click it to go straight there. To make avan to plural, we add inga and that becomes avanunga. If you say avanga, it becomes formal, but to keep it informal, we stress on that avanunga. We use it for boys and sometimes even for a group of men to talk about them in a less respectful manner. People use it at such times when they are angry or to abuse. Now let us imagine the two men there are both heads of an organization, but the workers are standing out angrily awaiting some crucial decision. And they don't like these top guys. So, what is he speaking there? Avanga ennatha pesikittu irukkan. So, this is not a respectful tone, but it is singular. And ennatha instead of enna is to show some irritation. It's a very colloquial term. And if they had to abuse both the men instead of avan, they would say avanunga. அவனுங்க உள்ள என்னத்தை பேசிக்கிட்டு இருக்கானுங்க. Now you get it. அவனுங்க உள்ள என்னத்தை பேசிக்கிட்டு இருக்கானுங்க. Damn, what are they speaking inside? But if you wish to talk about those boys, அவனுங்க என்ன பேசிட்டு இருக்கானுங்க? What are they talking about instead of going to school and studying? So, see, one is angry speech and the other one is a casual speech using avanunga. Please see the script. அவன் உள்ள என்னத்தை பேசிக்கிட்டு இருக்கான்? அவனுங்க உள்ள என்னத்தை பேசிக்கிட்டு இருக்கானுங்க? அவன் உள்ள என்னத்தை பேசிக்கிட்டு இருக்கான்? அவனுங்க உள்ள என்னத்தை பேசிக்கிட்டு இருக்கானுங்க? It will be very useful for you to learn this term adu for he, she from the lesson 142. I'll give you the link on top, which is another useful lesson, that is inside trade, of course. It is the same with pluralizing ava. You can say avalunga, but this is also very unrespectful, disrespectful. So this is only for your understanding. So try not to use it, but you'll hear it at times. Now, same situation. Two top of the heads inside the office taking crucial decision, and two women who give a complaint about them to some department or sitting outside shouting abusive, angry words like union women. So the officers might say, அவளுங்க அங்கே என்ன அட்டகாசம் பண்ணிக்கிட்டு இருக்காளுங்க. அட்டகாசம் is disorderly or nuisance. அவளுங்க அங்கே என்ன அட்டகாசம் பண்ணிக்கிட்டு இருக்காளுங்க. 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 அவ அங்கே என்ன அட்டகாசம் பண்ணிக்கிட்டு இருக்கா. What is she nuisance doing there? அவளுங்க அங்கே என்ன அட்டகாசம் பண்ணிக்கிட்டு இருக்காளுங்க. What the nuisance are they doing there? Now it is the same for adu. It. We use adu for he, she and it, and which is what I told you to look into lesson 142. So adu becomes adunga in plural. அது என்ன பண்ணுது தனியா? We use it for a kid or a young boy, young girl. And plural, அதுங்க என்ன பண்ணுதுங்க? It is also for a group of kids. But sometimes people also use adunga for grown-ups, angrily, in an irritating tone. It is similar to the tone, what are those useless things doing there? அதுங்க அங்கே என்ன பண்ணுதுங்க? So they are supposed to work, but they are sleeping. And another group of those having fun instead of working. அதுங்க அங்கே என்ன பண்ணுதுங்க? அதுங்க அங்கே என்ன பண்ணுதுங்க? So friends, these are very difficult for you to understand and learn on your own. And native people will never explain you as they speak because it's very hard to explain. But understanding these nuances can be helpful to really frog leap in your learning. I'm putting my best effort to make it all easier for you, and I ask you to like and comment, so ask questions for this channel to continue healthily without dragging. I thank those of you who are already in support of this channel. Some of you are just learning through the English transliteration, that is the English script that I use. But learning the script is important. Learning Tamil script is important. See, there are just some around 30 scripts. You can learn in a couple of hours and slowly start reading as I put the Tamil script post. This will make your language thorough and you'll learn it many times faster. So please put some little extra effort because you're learning through so many videos. So that saves your time, a lot of your time, and you can learn the language much faster. And wait, have you been watching Instagram? We are starting to put out videos to learn words, pronunciation. So please check it. And if you're an expert in Instagram making, please help me out. I'm still a dabbler here.